Hey everyone, welcome back to the Talent Buzz. It's time for another TikTok reaction video. Today we have the one and only Beatbox JCop, who's from Korea, and he is 13 million subscribers on TikTok. His YouTube blowing up, over 3 million subscribers now. He does beatboxing, he does vocal impersonations, he does funny voices, and he does now reaction videos. So he reacts in his weird robotic beatbox voice to popular TikToks and other memes and stuff. So anyway, let's get started. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, Shaolin monk guy. That's kind of cheating. There's probably someone holding his pants. And he's probably on his knees. Okay. Engagement guy. What? Okay, that's kind of funny. Okay, tinfoil face.
Did you say poor Peter Parker?
Poor Peter Parker.
Poor Peter Parker.
Poor Peter Parker. It's hard.
Really? Okay, listen. Poor, 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 poor.
Poor. He didn't do the whole name though, did he? Oh my god, it disappeared.
Really?
So does he drop it? Yeah, he just dropped it. I could see it right there. Ew! Ew, girl, you gotta get some help.
I am Venom, and you are mine.
Oh, I'm glad his tongue doesn't come out that far.
Boys are like sports. They're meant to be played.
Is this wannabe Paris Hilton?
Really? And guess what? Girls are like rocks.
The fat ones get skipped.
Ouch! Ouch! Objectifying females, not cool, JCop Beatbox. It's about personality. Thank you. Not that Paris Hilton has any personality. Fake personality. Fake Paris Hilton has no personality. Ah, this one is interesting. Now he's done a bunch of these with his other beatboxing buddies, whose job is basically just to freak out after he does something. So I guess that's like, I guess they're not beatboxing buddies, they're like his breakdancing buddies. But they must get tired doing this because they probably like cranked out like 50 of these at once. Okay, time for another backflip. Okay. Oh, this one I don't like. I don't like when he just does the Photoshop. JCop, are you implying that this is just fake Photoshop stuff? Okay, anyway, so there you go. That's it for today. See you guys next time here on the Talent Buzz. Go check out JCop Beatbox. Always lots of fun. See you.